This is how to add conditional column in Power BI. So I'm still transforming this data, but I just want to create this little video on how to add additional column. So in this data I'm working on, still on my Power Query interface. So I want to add extra column, a conditional column to my column. So I have 35 column already. So I want to create a conditional column using years at company. Let's assume I want to create a table to determine those that are due for promotion. Let's assume in this database, those that have spent 8 years and above, I should mark them as those that are due for promotion, and those that have spent less than 8 years, they are not due for promotion. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'll select my years at column, then I'll go to add column in this ribbon. At this add column here, I will see additional column. So I'll click on conditional column. So the interface has opened, just like in Excel. Here I'm going to give a name to that column, the column header. Let's assume I want to use this as a promotion status. Status. Okay, let me change this P to capital letter. All right. So it said if dash. So I'm going to select the column name. We have about 35 columns. So I'm going to select the column I want to use. And remember, I said I'm going to use years as column. So C is at the last. I'll click on it. Then the operator will say, the operator I want to use that if the person has spent 8 years and above, it should be promoted. Or if the person has not spent 8 years and above, it should be, the person is not due for promotion. So I'm going to use greater than or equal to. Then the value I'm going to use is 8. I'm going to put 8 here. What will be at if the condition is correct, it should give me, I should have due for promotion. Then if the condition is not met, else I should have not due. Not due. Let me use capital letter as the D. Okay, now this is it. I'll say okay. Good. Can you see that I have been able to create this additional column here? Now, if you look at this company of years, years at company, let me shift it small. You see that this person spent 6 years, and here I have not due. This person has 10 years, I have due for promotion. So with this simple techniques, I've been able to add extra column. So this is how you add conditional column, and with this, it will make your analysis very simple. From here, I can filter out those that are due for promotion and those that are not due. I hope you learned something in this short video. Thank you. Please follow me for more tutorial on Power BI and data analysis. See you in my next video. Bye.